Hey guys, I am so excited, like beyond excited. I just bought my first premium Bible. I didn't know what a premium Bible was until I watched Wesley Huff's Bible haul. Like, who am I? I used to watch beauty hauls, clothing hauls, Amazon hauls, all those things. None of those things interest me as much as this Bible haul now. So he posted several Bibles on his YouTube channel, and one of them was a really beautiful Schuyler Calfskin Bible that I had been drooling over for about a month. So I'm about to do my unboxing, my huge reveal of my beautiful premium Calfskin Bible by Schuyler Bibles. So, dun dun dun, here we go. I guess I could have done this without recording. Oh, there's more packaging. What the heck? This is like a joke, isn't it? Isn't this exciting or is it just me? Oh, okay, packing slip. It comes in this beautiful box, very nice. I love the detail. So I didn't actually get the one that had the crosses. I'm kind of regretting that, but that's okay. That's okay, it's gonna be just as beautiful. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, it's still beautifully packaged and protected in paper. All right, all right. What do we have here? Wow, wow. This is gorgeous. Wow. And it's got the gold edging. Gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, the leather is so supple, and it comes with this little note from Schuyler Bibles. Congratulations on the purchase of this heirloom Bible. Yes, thank you very much. But look at this. Isn't it just beautiful? I'm so in love. I love it. I love it. Now oh my goodness. I didn't know I purchased the one with the crosses on it, but I did. Do you see that detail? Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let's flip to the inside of it. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. This is the Schuyler Treveris ESV full Yapp Sandstone Calfskin Bible. It's got the crosses on the front and the gold stamping on the spine and some gold stitching along the edges. Flipping to the inside, you can feel the suppleness of the leather immediately. It's got the brown gold undertone edging. And now as we flip to the inside, the first thing I see and feel is how smooth the pages are. It's got the ornamental drop cap and the verses on the margin. Gives it a unique feature. Single column, easy for reading with 10-point font. And some gold ribbons for place markers. I'm going to love reading this Bible. Look at all those features. The detail. It's incredible. Completely in love. So I'm so glad that you joined me for this big reveal, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye, guys.